Thing's really in there. Come to daddy, come on. We got 2 cylinders here. The retracted position is too long. We need to shorten that up. We're gonna see what we can do. Pin to pin, we're looking at 30. We wanna neck it down so pin to pin is right around 25. That turned out way nicer than what I could have cut it by hand or with the hot saw. Got both of them with a decent chamfer on them. Now we're ready to get this lined up with the eye, get her welded back together. So I fiddle farted around here and we got our rod and our centering blocks, and then we got our eye clamped down to the table with a spacer such that it's roughly the same height top to bottom. And then we kind of eyeballed this way. Got the cart ahead of the horse. Whew, the smell. If you could smell that leather and whatever the old nasty oil and crap that was on that leather burning off. Whew. They're very aromatic. It's not very pleasant. Still hot, obviously. This is the second one. Oh, wait. This is the first one we touched up, I think. And this is the second one. We just needed to fill this area around here. Second one went way better than the first one. Ended up digging this one out with the grinder because I wasn't happy with it and redoing it. So that's a whole lot better, probably wider than it needs to be, but yeah, it's solid on there. Just jugged the file on the outside edge here a little bit to clean up any of the burrs. This one here is the first one I believe we welded. We ground out and then welded. So we got a little bit of dingleberries here where we shouldn't have. Should have put some anti-splatter on it. Don't know why I didn't think of that till now. But the second one turned out real nice. Really happy with that. Give you a little bit better close-up, but this one looks really nice. This one here has got some rust and corrosion on the rod that was there before we even started, but we're gonna get these things slammed back together. Yeah, we're looking at about 25 1/8 and 25 1/4, give or take, on this one. About an 1/8 inch difference between the two. Good enough for me and what this is for.
A little bit. Hold it.
Daddy's trying to line this cylinder up. Yep. I think the bucket's bent.
Well, the bucket's bent.
Alright, now you can put the pin end on.
That'll
That'll work, it don't matter. We got her all the way in there. It's pulling it down.
Yeah, until it hits that bowl. I can't do it.
I don't think it has to go down a whole lot more. Yeah!
Brad. I'll have to drill a hole in that pin.
We took the Ford CL340 cylinders from the skid loader that Dad scrapped. We knocked about 5 inches off of them, and then we put them on the old Massey Ferguson MF711. Now we have bucket tilt functionality, and it actually has a bucket for the first time in who knows how many years. It was before we got it that it didn't have a bucket. It works. We don't know how to use it. I can't use it because I'm not familiar with the controls. Now I can just get this area here leveled out with the real tractor, and we'll call this one quits. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll catch you next time. Yeah.
No.
Come on, that's going to be in the video. You better say something good. Give them a thumbs up to say it works.
Hey, it works. I'm happy.
It doesn't leak
It's
oil.
for sale if anybody wants it.